In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment on Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to choose, and how to connect everything so customers can pay you smoothly. Start by logging into your Weebly account and heading to your site's dashboard. If you manage more than one site, make sure you've selected the correct one for your online store. It helps to have your business details handy, like your legal business name and bank information, because you may be asked for them during the connection process. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then open the Payments section. This is the control center for your checkout options. If you don't see a Payments tab, double-check that you're in the correct site and that your plan supports online selling. Sometimes the option is tucked behind a store or e-commerce settings area, so take a moment to look carefully. Now choose your payment method. You can enable card payments, PayPal, or both. Card payments let customers pay directly on your site with credit and debit cards, which creates a seamless checkout. PayPal gives buyers the option to use their PayPal balance or linked cards and may improve conversion for customers who prefer that wallet. It's completely fine to turn on both to offer flexibility. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to review any processing fees and payout timelines so you know what to expect. Next, connect your account. For card payments, Weebly will prompt you to link to an approved payment processor. You'll be guided through entering your business information, verifying your identity, and adding the bank account where payouts should land. Accuracy matters here. Make sure names and numbers match your bank records to avoid delays. For PayPal, you'll sign into your PayPal business account and grant the necessary permissions. Confirm you're using the correct email associated with your business PayPal and watch for any verification prompts, including two-factor authentication. After everything is linked, save your settings. Look for a confirmation message indicating that your payment methods are active. If there's a Publish button for your site, click it to ensure the changes go live. A quick final check helps. Open your store's checkout in a private browser window and confirm that the payment options you enabled appear and look correct. If something seems off, return to the Payments page, verify the connection status, and save again. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Settings and Payments, chosen your methods, connected your accounts, and saved your setup. With payments enabled, your store is ready to accept orders confidently.